In this video, I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in Photopea. To begin, open the project for which you want to change the aspect ratio. This can be any image or design you have already created. For example, you might have opened an image and now want to resize it for a different platform, such as YouTube or social media. Once your project is open, go to the left-hand side of your screen and select the crop tool. You can click on the crop icon directly, or you can press the C key on your keyboard to select it instantly. If another tool is visible instead of the crop tool, simply right-click on that icon and choose the crop tool from the menu. After selecting the crop tool, move to the top left side of your screen where you will see an aspect ratio drop-down menu. Click on this menu and you will see several preset aspect ratio options. One of the most commonly used options is 16:9, which is ideal for YouTube thumbnails and videos. When you select this option, Photopea will show you a preview of how your image will fit into the selected ratio. You can now reposition the crop area by dragging it around to include the specific part of the image you want. If you want to switch the orientation, such as changing 16:9 into 9:16, simply click on the swap arrow icon next to the ratio values. This vertical format is commonly used for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, and you can again move the crop area to focus on the desired portion of your image. Photopea also provides other aspect ratio options, such as square ratios, which are useful for social media posts like Facebook or Instagram. After selecting the aspect ratio that suits your needs, press Enter on your keyboard. The new aspect ratio will be applied to your image accurately, and this is how you can change aspect ratio in Photopea.